Alex in the back. I know you haven't done this before, so yeah, just hold on to your hat there. Alright, here we go, let's do it.
Hello, welcome to another helicopter video with Anthelion Helicopters. My name's Alex, the CEO of the company. A few weeks ago we did an absolutely epic flight with two helicopters, 244s, over LA with a bunch of guys who I know, really good photographers, really good guys. And we really wanted to capture some of the unique aspects of LA from the air. Actually, we got some amazing weather, so sit back, enjoy the video, relax, and welcome to the ride.
Helicopter 744, Hotel Sierra's Lost Aviation flight just 2 with Charlie for a West Waldo departure south side of the river. Alright guys, take a look, we've got the LA ditch coming up, sorry, the LA river. Alright, we're going down to downtown Long Beach right now, you've got the Queen Mary out there. Alright, so we're going over the International Gateway Bridge now. Alright guys, at the iconic Vincent Thomas Bridge now, they've gone in 60 seconds, Nicholas Cage jump over all the cars, totally realistic bridge. Now the left we've got the Battleship Iowa. Man, look at those clouds over there right now, that's really just something awesome shots coming up there. Tighter if you need, and just let me know what looks good and what doesn't look good. We can go a bit higher, a bit lower. That's a great angle right here. Some awesome shots coming up there. Wow, we had a clear day today. This is going to be an absolutely epic sunset, and yeah, it makes a hell of a difference. We've got these two helicopters at the same time. Come out in Marina Del Rey and we'll be climbing up over towards the Santa Monica Pier, but we'll just go by the skate park right now, which actually has got people in it. You know, a year ago all we had was covered in sand, so now I actually have people in it, so it looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see what we can do around Santa Monica Pier here. We're trying to try and coordinate those helicopters together so we get some really good shots of us passing over them. Okay, I would like to fly over the Sunset Boulevard to downtown Hollywood and the Hollywood sign. Get some compression shots, we'll go a bit higher. We're going to obviously do, the crap your pants rollover shot here to get the skid out of the way so you guys get your look down shots. And Alex in the back, I know you haven't done this before, so just hold on to your hat there. Alright, here we go, let's do it. We've got some other good aerials here, and downtown looks pretty epic today. Have you guys got all the shots you need? It looks pretty good, and let's head on back to the barn.